Hi all my friends out there, it's Ronda Wade here and it's time for a 5-Minute Friday. Today we're going to be making a really sweet and simple box that's also very useful. This is the one that inspired me that I got. It was from my friend Jill, who sent me this beautiful package just because she's so sweet. And inside it was all of this strawberry themed goodies inside. So, of course, I dove into it to figure out how to make it, and now I'm going to teach you because it's such a sweet and simple box. And I'll show you a couple other ones I've made since then. So I'm going to go ahead and turn you down. Meanwhile, if you enjoy these quick and simple projects, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see when I do all of them and my Facebook Lives as well. So go ahead and get out your paper trimmer that has your scoring blade. And we are going to use a piece of soft succulent that is 6.5 by 8. Our first thing we're going to do is take your scoring tool and you're going to score 1 inch down both of these sides. So 1 inch there, flip it over and do 1 inch on the other side. Now going the other direction, pop out your arm there. The Infamous trimmer is only $25. It's like the best one if you need a new one. And then you are going to do 1 inch again down the other side. And then I flip it. So I always like to do my 1 inch over there. It's a little easier to control. So 1 inch, and then we do 3.5, 4.5, and 7. I will put all of those measurements in the directions for you so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, now we're gonna fold along all of these lines. This box actually holds a lot of stuff inside of it. I am gonna be using the sweet strawberry bundle because it was on back order for so long and I love it. So I'm so happy to be able to use it. I'll be taking the pansy paper, which is on sale if you're watching this in July of 2021. Oh, look at this paper, people. It is so beautiful. One side is gorgeous, gorgeous pansies, and then the other side are patterns, ginghams. So much of it I've already used and don't have any of it left because I've loved this paper. Anyway, don't count that towards my 5 minutes. So I am now going to, I cut these pieces. They were 2.25 by 4.25. And I'm just gonna put them on the top and the bottom of the box. It's so much easier just to glue while the box is not assembled yet. All right, but now let's do that assembly. We're going to snip along all of these lines that go into that 1 inch mark on this side, and same thing on the other side. Just snip them up there. I do like to take the tabs and just kind of take off the corners of them. It does make it go together just, oh, and these here. I just do it on all of them. We're just gonna take the tabs off. Your adhesive you're gonna wanna use for this is definitely your Stampin' Seal Plus. That's your strongest adhesive and it is my most favorite. I actually use it for everything. I would say you do it because it's a box, but really I don't want my cards falling apart either. There we go. So, oops, look, I missed one over here. Did you guys see that? I'm gonna go ahead and take that off there. Now we just put adhesive on all the tabs. What I like about this box is that the lid is built into the box, so you don't need to have it 2 pieces. It fits perfectly. So for your bottom, you are just going to put the tabs on there. Get a nice, good, and see it lines up perfectly, especially when you have trimmed those tabs off. You just bring that there. Just make sure you get your ear corners lined up. There's the bottom of your box. And the top, you just do the same thing for. Look at that, voila. And that was like in 4 minutes, we've created our box. Now we can decorate it. Decorating it might take me a little bit over. I'm going to wrap around this box a belly band. So again, just with some of that same soft succulent paper. You could do a different one if you want to. I just love this gingham. I'm gonna wrap that around and just glue it to itself so it can slide off and slide on, so it slides. I have this label here from the Scalloped Contours die. I'm using the soft or sweet strawberry. The first thing I'm gonna do is use a polished pink. That is one of our new in colors. I'm gonna stamp it off and stamp it right on there. Then go full strength with it over, just like that. Look how cute that strawberry is. Now I'm taking the soft succulent, doing the exact same thing with the leaf. Just gonna do that, and then go full strength over top. It's two-step stamping. Allows you to give dimension with just your stamp pads. So now I'm gonna punch out. Comes with a punch that coordinates with all of it, so you don't have to hand cut and we're gonna punch this out. Whoa, mine's been used a million times, so it definitely gets its work out. Oh, I have to go this direction. So we're gonna put that leaf in there, the stem, and then the stem also fits perfectly. There is a cute little flower in there. I love this flower. Let's put our little strawberry together. I just need a little bit of a mini glue dot. I told you the decorating might put me a tiny bit over, but that's these strawberries are really fun to make, and that just goes right there on top. We're going to stamp the words. Which words did I pick? That was so sweet of you. I'm gonna stamp that right on here, our little label. Add our little strawberry with a dimensional, so it's got a little bit of lift there. Look how cute this is. So I thank my friend Jill for inspiring me, because this is adorable. And I know lots of people would love to get something like this. Put your dimensionals again there. I need to get a new pack out. Those are almost gone. There you go. So make sure if you guys love this kind of projects, the quick and simple, easy ones, I do those on some 5-minute Fridays. And last but not least, I think we need a little linen bow. I already tied it because I knew that was definitely gonna push me over my 5 minutes. But a cute little linen thread bow right on the top of our strawberry, and voila. You have an awesome box. The belly band comes off. The lid is built in, and it's ready for you to fill with something yummy. And here it is in a little Halloween theme, featuring some of our brand new products that are gonna come out. This one I did the belly band the other direction, and it opens up like that. Super, super simple. Thanks so much for being here. I hope you join me again. And also, if you want to know about any of my online classes and events and camps and retreats and trainings and all that, you have to be on my email list. I'm a very active emailer. I don't even have a blog where I post all of it, so you have to join my email list to be able to know when all those things are available. Thanks so much for being here, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.